What's up friends, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a new profile picture in the Rednote app for your profile. So simple tap on me at the bottom there, then you want to tap on your profile picture there, and you have the option that says create AI avatar. Tap on that and you simply want to choose an option here, and you want to, let's say I will choose this option here, and then you want to go ahead and find different pictures from your computer. So you can simple tap on that, it's going to go to your to your phone. You can select different pictures and then you want to allow it to wait. So guys, it's very easy and very simple. Just go ahead and find what you want. You can select images from your phone, so I can choose whatever I want. You might see a picture there. You can simple tap that word and it takes you to your gallery, and you can choose different pictures and just allow it to basically generate something for you with the power of AI. So that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple, guys.